James. He is the general manager of a manufacturing company. He is experiencing some problems for quotations received from suppliers. He is tired of having difficulties in the request for quotations, causing problems in the procurement process. Problems encountered in the request for quotation process. Duplication of entry in the quotation. Challenging in tracking the previous quotation. Slow processing of quotation when employees leave the company. Obsolete specifications of items and services. Unclear presentation of work specifications in the quotation. Delay in approval when the approver is not available. To solve the problem, Mr. James introduced innovation and creativity in the company. The SIMSS GO-NEGOSYO web application simplifies the business transaction into 4 core processes. They are information, stock management, transaction, and report. The 4 core processes provide every transaction to complete in a short period. SIMSS GO-NEGOSYO is a productivity tool to increase sales and procurement process for small, medium, and large companies. To access the SIMSS GO-NEGOSYO web application, then type your email address and password on the login page. On the top left of the dashboard, fill up the supplier information for ID code, supplier name, email address, tax identification number. In the Upload Supplier picture, select Browse and attach pictures from the computer or your cloud storage tray. Select Save, and you finish creating supplier information. This application is for you if you are a supplier engaged in wholesale, retail, all services, government agencies, construction supplies, hardware, lending institutions, and cooperatives. Online tracking of business transactions performances from creating requisition to payment to suppliers. How to use the SIMSS GO-NEGOSYO web application. A user can attend the online or face-to-face training. Download the application, create information about suppliers and employees and raise the requisition transaction. Upload the transactions to the cloud. It creates convenience to users in other branches. Access of transaction online saves time and effort. Efficient time management of receiving and delivery schedule. Just in time, less warehousing and inventory cost. SIMSS GO-NEGOSYO web application. Closing business transaction from everywhere is now possible. This improvement can measure an employee's or group performance by the aging period acted on the assigned transaction. SIMSS GO-NEGOSYO web application closed more sales, less manpower, and with sensible decision-making from real-time reports. It provides work balance by allocating authorization level to users. Now everything is turning out well for James. He has solved the problems of the quotation by the following: unique transaction number in every quotation, accessing transaction record anytime, accurate and uniformity of work specifications, able to detect the best offer from suppliers, approving transaction anytime, anywhere. The company saves time and money in this remarkable improvement effort. Let us all follow what James did to his company.